Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation 5 without losing any data. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So there's two different ways that we can preserve the data on our PlayStation 5. So if we go up to settings and select this, and then we scroll on down. The first way I'm going to show you is if you have PlayStation Plus. So if we have this, we can go to Save Data in Game App Settings, and then we can go to Save Data. Then we can go to the right and go to Sync Save Data here. And there's a little plus icon here indicating you need PlayStation Plus to be able to do this. Make sure Auto Sync Save Data is turned on and enabled under here. So I can see it's on. Then I can back out, and then I can go to my cloud storage right here, and I can select this, and I can see everything that's saved in the cloud. And I can go to the game, and I can download it back to my PlayStation 5 at a later time, or I can go to Select All, and then Download All. Now this will just be the game saves, it's not going to be the actual game data, so you will have to re-download the game. Now if I go ahead and back out, I would have to do this for the PlayStation 4 save data as well. Go to Auto Upload, make sure this is turned on, and then go to Cloud Storage. Now you can see everything in my cloud storage under here. And then I can go to Select All, and I can re-download this back to my console at a later time. And to get the game back onto your PlayStation, if you want to go ahead and download it again, go to Game Library, then go up to the top and go to Your Collection, and then you can go to Sort By feature right here, and you can simply just select the game and go to Download. Now if you don't have PlayStation Plus, another way that we could do this, if we have a large external drive, if we go on down to where it says System and select this, go to the right under System Software and go to Backup and Restore. We can back up my PlayStation 5. Back up games, apps, and data to a USB drive. So I just plugged in a drive and it says the trophy information or game status of the following users haven't been synced. So let's go to yes. Do you want to go and back this up? Now I have the option to select games and apps. So I'm going to go to this little pencil icon right here, and I can see the individual games to select. So this will be the actual game I'm going to copy over. Then if you look underneath here, this is the save data, so the game saves. And I believe the Minecraft worlds, etc. will be included in this section. Then we have the screenshots and video clips, and then the system settings. But once you go ahead and copy everything over to your drive, you would want to come back later on and go to Restore Your PS5 and select this. And then if there is a backup saved to that drive, you should be able to restore your PlayStation 5 right here. So this would be the easiest way to go ahead and preserve all your data. But if you don't have a big enough drive, simply using the cloud storage and re-downloading everything is a viable option. Then right here we have reset options. We can go to reset your PlayStation 5. And when you go ahead and do this, it will erase all the user data and it will delete all the games and applications, etc. And you'll have to go ahead and re-log in with your email address and password. So go to reset and continue the process. And hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If you did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.